Today's video is packed with fun and easy woodworking projects perfect for kids. These beginner-friendly ideas are safe, creative, and a great way to teach basic woodworking skills while having a blast. Mini bookshelf. This small wooden shelf is the perfect beginner's project. Grab some pre-cut wooden planks, and with a little help from an adult, your child can nail or glue the pieces together. Wooden plant marker stakes. Cut thin wooden strips into small stakes, then sand the edges smooth so they are safe to handle. Kids can write or paint the names of different plants like tomato, basil, or even make up fun names like magic beans. Wooden puzzle. With adult supervision, cut the wood into interlocking shapes. These could be squares, curves, or even animal outlines. This project not only teaches basic woodworking but also results in a toy they made with their own hands. Napkin holder. Cut two small wooden rectangles and a curved base piece. Glue or nail them together, sand the edges, and then the real fun begins: decorating. Wooden spoon. Carve a simple spoon from a softwood block using basic tools. Sand it down until it's nice and smooth. Your child will learn about shaping and rounding wood. And at the end, they will have a real wooden spoon. Bird feeder. A bird feeder is a great way to combine woodworking with nature. Use a small wooden tray or box as the base, attach a roof, and add a little perch. Fill it with seeds and hang it outside. Soon, you will have birds visiting every day. Wooden block set. One of the easiest and most fun projects is making a set of wooden blocks. Just cut leftover wood into different shapes: squares, rectangles, triangles. Sand them really smooth so they are safe for play. Desk organizer. Use small wooden boxes or compartments and glue them together in any design. Stack like stairs, side by side, or even a pyramid shape. Wooden signpost. Cut wooden arrows and attach them to a post. Each arrow can point to a special place, like treehouse, flower garden, or bug hotel. Toy boat. Shape a small block of wood into a boat hull, attach a dowel rod as the mast, and glue on a fabric sail. Add a flag or even a tiny pirate sticker for fun. There you have it, 10 simple and exciting woodworking projects for kids. These ideas are perfect for sparking creativity and teaching valuable skills. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more fun DIY ideas.